Hi there, Uzo Akpele. I'm an immigration lawyer here in Atlanta, Georgia, helping people navigate U.S. immigration law, no matter where they're located, inside the U.S., outside the U.S. In this video, I'll give you answers to some of the questions we are asked about the petition to remove condition. A very frequent one is, we forgot to file on time, and now we're late. This normally happens where a couple has crossed the date of the second anniversary of grant of permanent residence and has not yet filed the petition. At this time, the conditional resident is considered to have lost their status in the US and is subject to removal proceedings. The couple should, however, file their joint petition and should explain to the USCIS why they were late in filing. Give a good reason, and chances are that the USCIS will accept the late filed petition. And once it's accepted, the petition will be treated as timely filed and it will be just processed as usual. Another question we get is, does my child who has conditional residence, who got conditional residence with me, need to file a separate petition to remove condition? And the answer on that to that one depends. If your child got conditional residence within 90 days of you, then you do not need to file that separate petition. If the child got permanent residence 90 days after you, the parent, the child will need to file a separate petition. I'll give you an example. Let us say that S is a minor child living in Kenya. His mother was already in the US and she was granted conditional residence, let's say January 2020. Later on, S processes an immigrant visa and enters the US in May 2020. Now see that more than 90 days after S's mother got her conditional residence based on the same petition filed by the stepfather of S. S, in this example, will need to file a separate petition to remove condition. Contrasting it, let's say J is a minor child who is living with his mother T. Their US husband and stepfather file a petition and they both go through the adjustment of status process and they are granted conditional residence on the same day. Their adjustment applications are approved on the same day. J will not need to file a separate petition to remove condition. The one which his mother has filed will be enough for both of them. Then there's the question, we filed our petition and then the USCIS sent a receipt which extended permanent residence, but we have not heard from the USCIS since then, and it's been such a long time. Yes, processing times vary in each petition to remove condition. Sometimes it takes a very long time for the USCIS to come back with a decision. But in the meantime, that letter which has been sent to you as evidence of your continuing status is evident. That's what you use as your green card. So while that processing, your petition is processing, whether it takes a long time or whether it takes a short time, you may travel out of the US, you're still authorized to work, and you're still counting time towards naturalization. If you change, remember, if you change your address while your petition is pending, you need to quickly mail a change of address form to USCIS or go online to their website and file that AR11 online. Remember, while you're waiting for your petition to be approved, time is still being counted towards your naturalization time. So that if you've finally had come up to the 3-year mark since the grant of your permanent residence, but your petition has not been approved or granted, what you need to do, you can go ahead and apply to naturalize to become a US citizen. In a case like that, the USCIS will pull together both your naturalization application and your petition to remove condition, and they will decide them at the same time. You will be called in for a naturalization interview, but you will notice that the process on that day will be that your green card, your petition your petition will first of all be dealt with, then you'll be given the naturalization test. And if you are successful in both, you will come out with your naturalization. So I hope these answers help you relax and let the process play out. As always, our office is here to assist you with your immigration needs. Call us 404-250-3295 or go online to aallclaw.com and fill out a form so you can schedule an appointment to come in. We're here to help you. Till later then.